Watch this video and learn how to draw this. It's jolly good. Later on in the show, we're all going to sing a song. Oh, marvellous. Is everybody ready? It's Artie's show.
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Oh, I didn't see you there. Hello, and welcome back to Artie's show. I'm Artie, and this is the show where I teach you to draw. You can either watch me draw and just enjoy that, or you can draw along. So you might need some paper and some marker pens or a crayon or a pencil, and we can have fun. It's gonna be awesome.
Wow, Betty, look at all the little artists that are here today.
Welcome to the show, everyone!
Oh, what a great day to make some art. Are you excited? Should we start? Come on then, let's begin.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away, and when you're caught up, you can just press play. That's bananas!
Hey, Artie. Wow, what a great drawing. Gives me the blues. And I'm blue. Oh, oh, oh. Ooh.
Keep watching, because in a few minutes there's going to be an awesome song. I love drawing so much. Okay, little artists, it's time for a song. Here's a great one.
The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one. The little one stops to suck his thumb, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. The ants go marching two by two, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching two by two, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching two by two. The little one stops to tie his shoe, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. The ants go marching three by three, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching three by three, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching three by three. The little one stops to climb a tree, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. The ants go marching four by four, hurrah, marching 4 by 4. Hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 4 by 4. The little one stops to shut the door, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. The ants go marching 5 by 5. Hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 5 by 5. Hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 5 by 5. The little one stops to take a dive, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain.
I love music and songs, and that one was great. Let's carry on drawing now.
This looks great. I'm not sure what it is yet.
Done. Oh, it's finished. Oh, I'm so pleased with it. It came out really, really good, didn't it? Oh, should we color it in? I think we should. Okay, let's color it in.
Coloring it in is my favorite part.
Mine too.
It's finished. Oh, wow, it came out so good. Were you following along at home and drawing as well? I bet your drawing came out really good too. Oh, we are super artists, aren't we?
Be sure to tune in tomorrow to Artie's show.
Well, little artists, that's the end of the show. I hope you had fun watching me draw and watching us sing and having a really good time. We hope to see you again. Please watch soon. Bye-bye and have an arty day.